Hey boo, so it's Adrian Caprice here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite detox smoothie recipes. So whether you are kickstarting your weight loss journey, you want to improve your digestion, or just, improve your overall health, these are some of my favorite recipes that I love, okay? So before we get started with the video, I focus on everything fashion, beauty, and health. So if that's something that you're interested in, click that subscribe button, and then make sure you click that notification bell. I don't know where it is, but click it so that way you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. So on to the smoothies. So I have 3 recipes here that I'm going to share with you guys, and they can be tweaked. You can add your own things, you can remove this, add this, whatever, but I'm just here to show you guys what I use, and then that way you can kind of piggyback on, everything that I show you. So before we get started, I am not a doctor, I'm not a dietitian, I am not a nutritionist, any of that. I'm going off of my personal experience, okay? And so that's why I say you can tweak these recipes to your liking and what you may need throughout the day. I'm rambling. We're gonna get right on to what you will need. So the first thing that you will need is a blender. So this is a NutriBullet that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. They actually had them on sale for 47 bucks, but you don't have to get this one. Get one that fits in your budget. To blend your smoothies up, you're gonna need some sort of liquid. We are detoxing our bodies here, so we want to use something as pure as possible. So I always suggest a spring water. So yeah, get this from Publix or wherever, just a spring water or some sort of like alkaline water would be good. But sometimes I like to use coconut water because coconut water is more hydrating than regular water, or at least it's what I read online. I don't know, but it does add a bit of flavor to your smoothie. So this is what I like to use. So we're going to start out with our first smoothie, which I call it the ultimate green smoothie, because it's so many benefits. So if you're having a problem with your digestion, constipation, you're feeling tired, this early in the morning is perfect. The leafy greens is going to give you that fiber. The celery is going to heal your gut. The ginger is going to improve your digestion. The lime is just, that extra, and it's alkaline as well, so it'll be good, just to add that, citrusy fruit to the smoothie. So like I said, first thing in the morning, this is golden. Chef's kiss, chef's kiss. So I like to call this smoothie the perfect start, I guess, because if you do not like the taste or the idea of all greens in your smoothie, definitely adding a fruit will, just kind of change the dynamic and the taste of the smoothie. I only have blueberries on hand, so just use what you have. But I would suggest either adding like a green apple or pineapple to this recipe. It will be so good, especially with the pineapple. So yeah, and also this smoothie didn't turn out like it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing as the other ones, but yeah, it's still good. So if you kind of want to ease your way into the green smoothie, or having all greens isn't like your thing, adding some fruit would definitely change the taste of the smoothie. So I will call this smoothie this smoothie the beauty smoothie, because you get so many added benefits, so many vitamins, and it's just a good smoothie. So it's high in antioxidants, so to get rid of all the toxins in your body. It's high in vitamin C, which you need vitamin C to absorb all of the other nutrients in your body. And the strawberries with the apples just make it so good. So you can always swap out your fruits if you want to, just depending on your own needs, but definitely with the cranberries and the blueberries is a must. I also want to add that fruits tend to digest faster in the body. So to get the best benefit out of, especially this smoothie, but all of your smoothies, it's best to drink them in the morning on an empty stomach. So yeah. Okay, this one kind of mixed up here, so we're gonna. This one is not for the weak, okay? I taste the lime. I really don't taste. You taste the ginger in the back of your mouth, but for the most part, it tastes like greens. It's gonna detox you for sure. So yeah, I like to add some ice cubes in mine once I make it, and then put ice cubes in it so it can stay cold. But overall, I mean, it tastes like greens. I mean, it's not gonna taste the best, but it is the best for you. Okay, this next one, it doesn't look so good, honestly. It doesn't, I'm not gonna lie. I have other ones that I made that look better than this. This one just came out kind of ugly. But this one is just to incorporate some sort of like fruit in it so it can be sweet, you know? Okay, this one tastes like greens, but I can taste the sweetness from the blueberry. So if you're just starting out, you may want to add some blueberry or like pineapple to yours or something, just to give it like that extra, sweetness. This one looks really, really good. And that it is. This is very, very good. This tastes like those Outshine fruit bars. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but this is what it tastes like. This is so good. This will have your skin glowing. This one good. This is good. I hope you guys enjoy these recipes. If you try them, let me know how they work for you. And if you want to sub anything down below, like say if you want to take out the apple or want to put pineapple or whatever, just leave your suggestions down below. If you would like me to do a protein smoothie recipe or what I eat in a day or whatever you want to see, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll try to get it out for you, okay? I'm sorry y'all, this is so good. Make sure you guys comment down below on what smoothies you want to try, that you have tried, or if you have your own specific detox smoothie that you like, leave it down below so, you know, maybe you can share with everyone else. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you'd like to see more content from me, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video. So good. Oh my God, I cannot like win, so experience.